Man, check this guy out. What point are you trying to make, buddy? My car is tiny. Your car is big. Let me go by you. Oh, this person can see it coming. Oh, this guy can see it coming. Okay, lady, what are you doing? Oh my God, how dare you rear-end my BMW? This insurance claim is gonna pay my bills for the next few years.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
All right, buddy, can you get off my... Man, these two are a real piece of work. They're a match made in heaven. Yeah, that's not illegal. Man, who knows if they even had a gun or something, man. That would be scary. You're gonna block traffic like that. And they got your license plate. Straight to jail. Oh, somebody's mad. Hey, I wonder what they did, but that's uncalled for. Whoa, buddy. Why are you getting out of a moving car? Oh, dude. All that. Where are you going? There's nowhere to go. What? You're gonna stop him? Bro, that's a quick way to get ran over, man. That's a quick way to get ran over. What are they doing? Ah, dude, don't throw a rock at his car. Oh, got your license plate, buddy. I mean, the truck is really close to this guy. I'm gonna have to go with the truck driver on this. He doesn't need to be parking that close to the guy. Maybe the guy got him upset, but that's not cool. Don't park that close behind me like that with your big truck. Yeah, he's continuing to do it? Come on, man. Back up. You're not getting anywhere faster. Oh, you're gonna fight at the gas station, bro? Everything's on camera. What are you doing? Get back in your truck. Get back in your truck, bro. Calm down. It's not worth it. It's not worth it, man. Go. Go, bro. Let's go. Okay, pump your gas. Pump your gas, fool. Let's go. You got what you wanted. Let's go. Homie trying to juke out the car. Grandma coming in hot in the middle lane. Watch out. Oh, lady, please look over your shoulder. Driver was going too fast, but still, he's in the fast lane. Don't come into the fast lane when you're going that slow. Best be ready. Yo, what is going on here? Are they trying to get it off of a jack? Bro, that's not how you do it. Oh no. Oh, this isn't gonna be good. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a big maybe. Maybe. And someone's in the driver's seat. What's going on? Even that guy riding his bicycle going by. Yo, what are you guys doing? Security's coming up. Hey, what's going on here?
What happened?
Oh my gosh, guys, you're gonna ruin that axle. Oh no. They're gonna ruin something. Oh no. They got it off. Oh my gosh, they just ruined this old man's car. Oh no. And then you guys are just gonna walk away now? Oh, you guys should have given up a long time ago. That wasn't even your vehicle? Oh my gosh. Oh, and you'd think it would be the Tesla. Nope, it's the Toyota. Tailgating and brake checking. Come on, bro. We got your plates. It's done. You are going straight to jail. Do not pass go. Yo, what is going on? You're gonna block her off and then try to open her door? You crazy, girl. She just got done with the... She looks like she just got done with the CrossFit workout. Girl, get back in the gym. Yo, get back in your lane. Bye-bye. See ya. Thank you. Bye. Jeez, did you even look? You're cutting off 2 people right now. What is this, a snowbird in Arizona? Yo, Mustang, what are you doing? Looks like we got some more from AZ. Just... There are a lot of snowbirds in AZ. And it makes driving very difficult every winter. Oh no! Here we got someone cutting lanes and cutting off a semi. What a dummy. On this one, looks like Grandma's trying to get that insurance money. But the truck driver probably should have been going a little bit slower. Check out this guy, cutting off his semi for no reason. Give him some space, bud. At least give him some time to slow down before you cut in the lane. On this one, we have a blind semi-truck driver who couldn't hit a brake to save his life. Get off his butt, come on.
Hey, what happened?
Fatality.
Where are you going, bud? You're walking into traffic, what are you doing? We got a madman. And this clip, Grandma forgot where she's going, heading down a one-way road. Oh no. Grandma, you went down the wrong lane again. Go back. Oh no, go into the... Come on. Oh no. There you go.
Do it! Just do it!
Hello there. Hey, that's pretty good.
Here, we got another truck driver riding way too close behind people. Give them some more space. They need time to pull over, especially in the rain like this. Got another person mad at a semi-truck driver. Wonder what they did to get the attention. Jeez, another person cutting through so they can get off their exit. Just keep going, bud. Turn around, get off at the next exit, and go back. You can't put everyone's life at risk so that you can get somewhere faster. That's uncalled for, buddy. You're gonna cut across lanes, risk everyone's life if people are going around, and then cause a fuss? This is all your fault. Wow. Look at all those people going around.
Bruh.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Wow. In this clip, someone is way too impatient and obviously blind. Oh! Gonna cut into traffic like that? You better make sure you're clear, bud. Man, if this is the same semi-truck driver, I kinda question the way he drives. These guys work hard and they deliver everything we need all across the country. But people seem to get really mad at this blue truck. This guy is angry.
You serious?
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Hey, what happened?
Fatality.
Look at this selfish guy coming in, cutting lanes in a construction zone. That's a huge fine. Go straight to jail. Oh, dude. I mean, the truck driver, now you're in huge trouble. Just let her in. Oh my gosh. Now both of you are going to be stuck there for a long time. Nobody got anywhere faster. Good job.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Welcome! Punch!
and they're on the run.
Dead. Is he running? Yeah. Oh, maybe not.
Oh, bro. Do we hat? Are you blind? This is on the camera. Pay attention in the parking lot. They were not in your way, bro. Chill out. All right, everybody. Thanks again for staying tuned. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next one.